So can anybody out there tell me what in the world's going on with Bed Bath & Beyond? Now they're splitting the auction. The stock's down 12% on the day. I mean, we have a lot to go over in this video. We're going to go over the news, the charts. I mean, there's a lot going on. So before we actually dive into the video, guys, don't forget to get up to 17 free stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. And guys, you have 2 more days to do that. The clock is ticking. So use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is right around $35-40 a share, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And guys, listen to this: fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000. On top of those 16 stocks, you get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. Which, guys, by far, this is the best promo right now. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link, and you guys have 2 more days. Like I said, a limited time. So use that link. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So you guys probably know at this point, the Bbby auction was scheduled for yesterday, and well, that auction got split. We'll talk about that here in a minute or two. Make sure you guys stick on throughout the video, and that's pretty much causing Bed Bath & Beyond stock to go down on the day. Currently, it's about, what time is it? It's around 2:20 p.m. on the East Coast, so we're pretty much in the latter half of the day. I mean, we are at this point, and we have Bed Bath & Beyond down about 11%. In other words, around 4 cents, and we're holding on by a thread above 30 cents. And you guys can see yesterday we actually hit a peak of around 36, almost 37 cents. At one point yesterday we were at, or was that this morning? Either way, I think that was yesterday. We were at about 38 cents. So we were up there, guys. We were actually right by my average cost. My average cost is 41 cents on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. We were right there, guys. And then boom, today we got hit all the way down to 29 cents. That was about an hour and a half, actually close to 2 hours ago at this point. And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute chart, let me show you guys this. We're actually trading in this channel right here. Do you guys see this channel from the past 1, 2, I guess 3 trading days almost at this point, where Bed Bath & Beyond has been trading between 30 to about 35 cents? We're still in that, right? That's been the channel for the entirety of this week pretty much, and we're not completely collapsing quite yet. I mean, yes, we are down now 13.5%. We're not collapsing quite yet, but we are under the moving averages on this 5-day, 5-minute, and we do have a death cross. So keep that in mind, guys. That's not the most bullish sign at this point in time. And in my opinion, if we do fall through, let's say 28, 29 cents, let's say 28 cents, that's where we could start slipping down even further. In my opinion, I'll actually set my alert there now. Let me do it. Mark is at or below 28 cents. There we go. And let me see here on the 10-day chart. Anything worth mentioning? And not really. On the 20-day chart, let me pull it up. Not really here as well. But overall, guys, again, 30 cents is a big level of support. That's pretty much the big takeaway right now. That's the low from, again, a couple of days ago. But here on the 20-day chart, now that I'm looking at it, it's also right by the 50 SMA and by the highs from the beginning of June, late May, being about 28, 29 cents. So it's very it's imperative right now that the bulls hold 28 to 30 cents on BBBYQ. And if they don't, guys, this could be slipping. Like I said earlier, it could be coming down even more. And on the 4-hour chart, let me pull it up and see if I zoom in a little bit. Like I said in previous videos, if we start breaking above 35, 36, 37 roughly, which has been resistance for the past couple of weeks, that's where we could start making our push towards the 40-cent range. Above that, maybe mid-50s. But we have to break 35 cents, 36, 37 cents. That has to happen, which right now, again, we're selling off, and we're not, it doesn't look like as of now it wants to break out. But who knows, guys? Who knows with this stock, with any news that comes out, it could move, boom, like that at the drop of a dime. So that's a quick breakdown on BBBYQ. Keep your eyes on 28, 30 cents and the 50 moving average here on the 20-day chart. Let me now transition over here to Safari, guys, which we'll talk a little bit about the auction, what's going on there, the split, what's going on with Bbby. Are people losing interest? Well, it is possible. Doubt grows over Bbby sale process as parent Bed Bath & Beyond splits auction. Let's come down a little bit here. And you guys probably know Bbby is the most valuable asset under the Bed Bath & Beyond umbrella. You guys can see here, Bed Bath & Beyond is splitting the bankruptcy run auction of its its Bye Baby chain into 2 phases as the retailer struggles to nail down bids in a sale process now shrouded in doubt. I can't pronounce that word, guys. I'm sorry about that. And we can see under that we have an auction for all of Bye Baby's assets was originally scheduled for 10 a.m. yesterday, and now it's what? 2:30 on Thursday, so a day and a half later, and now only bids for the chain's IP, including its trademark and domain, will be accepted, according to people familiar with the matter. The failed home goods retailer is planning to host a separate auction potentially Thursday, which is today, where buyers can submit bids to keep Bye Baby and its stores running, said the people who weren't authorized to speak publicly on the matter. And an initial winner will likely be chosen during Wednesday's IP auction, intellectual property auction. That bidder and other suitors can participate in the second auction, and if Bed Bath & Beyond receives a higher offer for the entire banner than it gets for the intellectual property, that bidder could be selected and supersede the winner of Wednesday's auction, according to the people that are familiar with the matter. And the decision to split up the bidding comes after the retailer held separate sale proceedings for its Bye Baby and Bed Bath & Beyond banners, and the move, considered unusual in the world of bankruptcy, allows Bed Bath & Beyond to boost bids for its Bye Baby chain as doubts grow about what, if any, offers will come in, said some of the people, again, familiar with the matter. So they're splitting it up into 2 sessions, if you will, pretty much. Bidders interested in purchasing Bye Baby and operating its brick-and-mortar stores and online presence would need to purchase the bulk of its 100-plus locations to reach profitability. The expenses behind running the stores, such as leases, overhead costs, and salaries, make it difficult to reach profitability if a buyer acquires only a fraction of Bye Baby's doors along with its intellectual property. So that actually puts bidders in a interesting spot. Do they want to essentially go all in and buy pretty much all these stores? I mean, they can't just go and buy 25% of them because they won't be at profitability, the way the economics work, right? So that could be a reason why maybe, I'm just guessing, people are maybe backing away or they're shying away from actually closing a deal. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. And this quote says here, there's not a profitable model where you only have 10 stores or 40 stores, a person with knowledge of the matter reported. So essentially, you have to have all those stores, which that might be too much liability. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. But that is a reason, no doubt about it, that maybe people are shying away. That's my thought, at least. And again, let me know yours, and don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and to subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching. And I guess with that being said, that's it for the video. Now Bed Bath & Beyond's only down about 10%, so it is recovering a little bit on the intraday. Let's see how it plays out. Maybe I'll make a part 2 video. We'll see. And before you click off, guys, don't forget to get up to 17 free stocks for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. With $100 deposited, link down below, you get a free share of C3AI stock, and you get 5 more stocks. And fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks on top of those 6 stocks, totaling 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. And it gets even better, guys. Fund your account at least $5,000 on top of the 16 stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which, guys, that's free money, and you only have 2 more days to do it. So use that link down below. It's greatly appreciated. And check out my Patreon if you guys are interested. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next one.